10 Smartest Animals. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzees have been extensively studied and have been found to possess advanced cognitive abilities such as problem solving, tool use, and even understanding of basic arithmetic. Dolphin. Dolphins are highly intelligent and have a complex social structure. They also have advanced communication abilities and are able to recognize themselves in mirrors, a sign of self-awareness. Elephant. Elephants have highly developed brains and are capable of complex problem-solving, memory, and emotional intelligence. They have strong social bonds and grieve for their deceased herd members. Parrot. Parrots have advanced cognitive abilities and are able to mimic human speech. They also have the ability to learn new words and concepts. Raven. Ravens have been shown to have advanced problem-solving skills and even use tools. They also have a high level of intelligence and are able to plan for the future. Octopus. Octopuses have advanced cognitive abilities and are able to learn from experience. They are also able to solve problems, navigate mazes, and use tools. Orangutan. Orangutans have advanced cognitive abilities and are able to use tools, solve problems, and understand basic arithmetic. Pig. Pigs have been found to have cognitive abilities similar to those of dogs and chimpanzees, and can even be trained to perform various tasks. Sea lion. Sea lions have advanced cognitive abilities and are able to learn and remember complex sequences of actions. Squirrel. Squirrels have advanced problem-solving and memory abilities, and are able to plan for the future by hiding food for later.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, click below to subscribe button, hit the bell and get more content like this every week.